So coordinate geometry. What was the name of this formula?
Distance formula.
Yes, distance formula. It is used to find distance between 2 points on the plane if their coordinates are given. Okay, and we practiced some questions. Today we'll discuss some more questions related to this formula. Okay, no new concept today, only some questions. Okay, so P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are 2 points on the plane. Then the distance between P and Q, the points P and Q, we can write PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. If one of the point is origin, then the formula will reduce to square root of x square plus y square. Here one point is xy and second point is origin 0 0. Okay. And the formula you can also write square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay. So today we start with one question. This is the question. Show that the points 1 7 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 4 4 are the vertices of a square. Okay, 1 7 4 2 minus 1 1 and minus 4 4 are the vertices of a square. How you can prove this?
By distance between 2 points.
Distance between 2 points. So we can simply give names. A for the first point, B, C, D. Okay. So and which all lengths we want to find out?
A, B, B.
A, B, B, C, C, D, and A, D.
Yes, AD. Okay. If suppose all those 4 sides are equal, can we confirm that the shape is a square?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes is wrong answer. Are all quadrilateral with 4 equal side square?
No.
No. 4?
Rhombus.
Yeah, 4 sides are equal, then we can call only as rhombus. For to be square, the angles also need to be equal. Okay, so here we don't check the angles, but there's some idea, some other idea. Okay, for a rhombus and square, I shall draw one rhombus and square here. For a square, okay, for a square, suppose I give name A, B, C, D. Okay, if 4 sides are equal, then there's a chance to be square. And next, anything about the diagonals?
All angles will be 90.
All angles are equal and 90 degree. That's fine. What about the relation between the diagonals? Any relation?
Perpendicular to each other.
Yeah, they are perpendicular to each other in square and rhombus as well. Any different relation in square and rhombus about their diagonals length?
Square diagonal lengths are equal.
In square, the diagonal lengths are equal. AC and BD will be equal. But in rhombus, the diagonals need not be equal, must be equal. So here, which all lengths you want to find is AB, then BC, CD, AD, and AC and BD. Okay? If you get 4 sides equal and 2 diagonals equal, you can confirm that the shape is a square. And that's one idea. So we can give A as 1 7, B 4 2, C 1 minus 1, and D minus 4 4. Okay, then we can find the 4 sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. Here you can see the 4 sides are equal. Root 34, root 34, root 34. Okay, all 4 sides are equal. And also the diagonals. AC is equal to root 68 and BD is equal to root 68. That means 4 sides equal and diagonals equal. Therefore, the shape found by joining these 4 points will be a square. Okay, that's one method. One more method is here. Okay, so when you get this question, first you find the 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Okay, I shall draw here. You find 4 sides A, B, B, C, C, D, and AD, and also find 1 diagonal. 1 diagonal BD or AC, anyone. Okay, and then check for the Pythagoras theorem for this this triangle ABD. If the Pythagoras theorem is satisfied, then you can say this angle is 90 degree. If 4 sides are equal and 1 angle is 90 degree, you can confirm that the shape is a square. The sides of the right triangle will be AB is root 34 and AD is root 34 and BD is here root 68. Root 68. No need to find root this AC if you are doing in the second method. Okay, and now you check whether the Pythagoras theorem satisfied or not. BD square. What is BD square? BD square. Root 68 square. What will come?
68.
68. And sum of the squares of other two sides. AB square plus AD square. What will come? Root 34 square plus
Root
root 34 square. What will come? 68 will come, right? So that means BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square. That is Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. So ABD is a right triangle. Therefore, the angle opposite to the largest side, the hypotenuse will be 90 degrees. That is angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So you can conclude that ABCD is a square. That's second method.